Hello and welcome back to Health is Wealth. Today, we're talking about a topic that's close to everyone's hearts: glowing skin. While we often focus on skincare products, what we put into our bodies can be just as important. That's why we're exploring the world of juices and how they can transform your skin from the inside out. Juices are not only delicious but also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help give you that radiant, glowing skin you've always wanted. That's right. Today, we're talking about the best juices for glowing skin. First, pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is rich in antioxidants, particularly punicalagins and ellagic acid, which help protect the skin against free radical damage. Free radicals can lead to premature aging and other skin issues. So consuming pomegranate juice can help improve skin elasticity and overall skin health. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps brighten the skin and reduce dark spots. Vitamin C also helps boost collagen production, which can improve skin elasticity and firmness. Carrot juice. Carrot juice is rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A. In the body, beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A, which is essential for skin health. Vitamin A helps repair skin tissue, promote cell turnover, and protect against sun damage by increasing the skin's natural sun protection. Regular consumption of carrot juice can help improve skin health and appearance, making it look more radiant and youthful. Tomato juice. Tomato juice is high in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives tomatoes their red color. Lycopene helps reduce redness and inflammation in the skin, making it beneficial for those with sensitive or irritated skin. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like potassium. These nutrients help improve skin tone and texture by promoting cell regeneration and repair. The antioxidants in beetroot juice also help protect the skin from free radical damage, which can lead to premature aging and other skin issues. Apple juice. An apple a day can indeed help keep the skin healthy. Apples are rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, which can help protect the skin from premature aging caused by free radicals. Vitamin C also helps brighten the skin and improve overall skin health. Watermelon juice. Watermelon is not only a refreshing fruit but also beneficial for the skin. It is hydrating, containing about 92% water, which helps keep the skin hydrated and plump. Watermelon also contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that can help protect the skin from sun damage by neutralizing free radicals. Mango juice. Mangoes are not only delicious but also great for the skin. They are rich in vitamin A and beta-carotene, which are essential for skin health. Vitamin A helps repair and renew the skin, promoting cell turnover and reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, gives mangoes their vibrant color and also contributes to skin health, giving it a youthful glow. Turmeric juice. Turmeric is a spice known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, thanks to its active compound, curcumin. When consumed as a juice, turmeric can help improve skin health and appearance by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. This can help reduce the appearance of blemishes, acne, and other skin issues, promoting clearer and healthier skin. Orange juice. Oranges are well known for their high vitamin C content, which is essential for skin health. Vitamin C is necessary for collagen production, a protein that helps maintain skin elasticity and firmness. By boosting collagen production, orange juice can help improve skin texture and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and sagging skin. So there you have it. The best juices for glowing skin. Incorporating these juices into your diet can help nourish your skin from the inside out, giving you that radiant complexion you've always wanted. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Health is Wealth. See you next time.